Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see another set of important multiple choice questions related to induction motor. Then let me start. Question number 1. If the input voltage and the frequency of supply is halved to the three-phase induction motor. Answer is option A. The maximum torque is halved. Question number 2. An induction motor crawls at lower speed. This is due to. Answer is option B. Harmonic induction torques. Question number 3. Semi-closed stator slot and not open slot is used in induction motor. Answer is option C. To decrease magnetizing current. Question number 4. In an induction motor, skew of the rotor bar reduces. Answer is all of these. Question number 5. In an induction motor, the rotor resistance is equal to standstill reactance, then the maximum torque is. Answer is option B, equal to starting torque. Question number 6. The complete circle diagram of an induction motor can be drawn with the help of data found from. Answer is option D, A, B, and stator resistance test. That is, no load test, blocked rotor test, and stator resistance test. Question number 7. The power scale of circle diagram of an induction motor can be found from. Answer is option B, short circuit test only. Question number 8. Which of the following is not determined by circle diagram? Answer is option D, frequency. Question number 9. The torque of an induction motor in synchronous watt is equal to. Answer is option B, stator output. Question number 10. The shape of torque by slip curve of an induction motor is. Answer is option D, rectangular parabola. Question number 11. When the frequency of the rotor of an induction motor is small, it can be measured by. Answer is option B, DC moving coil millivoltmeter. Question number 12. The stator frame in an induction motor is used. Answer is option A, as a return path for the flux. Question number 13. The speed of a three-phase cage rotor induction motor depends on. Answer is option C, number of poles and frequency of the supply. Question number 14. Which of the following motors is used most frequently? Answer is option D, three-phase induction motor. Question number 15. What is the advantage of a slip ring induction motor over the squirrel cage induction motor? Answer is option D. It can be started with the help of rotor resistance.